If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Besara. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are, so for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper, black cardamom and some mustard seeds. Apart from mustard seeds and cumin, blend all these to make a powder. And take the mustard and cumin, that's sarso and jeera, soak that in some water for roughly about 3 to 4 hours, then discard the water and blend to make a paste. Now for the vegetables, take 3 to 4 spine gourd, half of arbi, that's saru, 1 green brinjal or hara bengan, half of yam, that's desi aloo, 1 raw banana, 1 radish, that's moola, 3 to 4 long beans, 1 cup of pumpkin or kaddu and 3 to 4 pointed gourd, that's parval. Then about half a cup of nadi badi. And if you don't have that and want to know how to make nadi badi, then you can check my episode on that. I will give a link in the description box below or click on this above link. Then take about 1 inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor instead of adding just chopped ginger. Then about a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, 2 tablespoons of jaggery or gur, then quarter cup of grated coconut and some salt to taste. Now I am making this curry in an earthen pot, but you can make it in any pan you have. Traditionally, earthen or clay pots are used to make almost all the Mahaprasads in Lord Jagannath temple. So to show you all, I found something similar to that so you can better understand. And before making anything in an earthen pot, there are few things you need to keep in mind. You cannot place it on high flame as cracks will form on the pot, and second, you need to use a wooden spatula. Now to make besara, place the pot on medium flame and first add all the ghee followed by the sarso and jeera paste and saute that for roughly about a minute. Then after that, add all the vegetables, turmeric powder, salt, ginger and nadi badi. Now with the help of the wooden spatula, mix it up, then add about 2 cups of water. Now the pot is on medium flame, so cover it and let it simmer till the water content is almost reduced and all the vegetables are well cooked. Perfect. Now add the grated coconut, the blended whole spices powder and the jaggery. Now give it a good mix and boil for another couple of minutes and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Besara. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.